Welcome to CopyRack. Today we'll guide you through the process of withdrawing funds from your CopyRack account. Let's begin. Go to the withdrawal section on the left side of your CopyRack account. For enhanced security, it's mandatory to enable Two-Factor Authentication 2FA. Scan the QR code with the Google Authenticator app on your mobile phone, enter the code shown in the app, and 2FA will be enabled. Let's walk through the steps to raise a withdrawal. First, select the trading account from which you'd like to withdraw funds. Please note the minimum withdrawal amount is $10, and you can withdraw up to your free margin. Just enter the amount you wish to withdraw, choose the cryptocurrency, and provide the wallet address in which you want to receive the funds. Then, click on Submit. A pop-up will appear asking for 2FA code. Just enter the code from the Google Authenticator app and click Submit. You can head over to the transaction history section to review the status and details of your withdrawal. Also, a confirmation email will be sent to your registered email address. Withdrawals are processed within 12 to 24 hours. And that's it. You've successfully raised a withdrawal on CopyRack. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. Happy trading! May your investments thrive with CopyRack.